Welcome. Today we'll verify the trigonometric identity. The tangent of theta plus the cosine of theta, all divided by 1 plus the sine of theta, equals the secant of theta. Let's solve this step by step. First, let's recall that tangent equals sine over cosine, so we can rewrite the left side of our equation as sine over cosine plus cosine, all over 1 plus sine. Next, let's get a common denominator in the numerator by multiplying the second term by cosine over cosine. This gives us sine plus cosine squared, all over cosine divided by 1 plus sine. Now, to convert this complex fraction to a simple fraction, we multiply by the reciprocal. This means we multiply by cosine theta over cosine theta. When we multiply these fractions, we get sine theta plus cosine squared theta over cosine theta times quantity 1 plus sine theta. Here's where we'll use a key trigonometric identity. Recall that sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. Therefore, cosine squared equals 1 minus sine squared. Let's substitute this into our numerator. The numerator becomes sine theta plus 1 minus sine squared theta. This simplifies to 1 plus sine theta minus sine squared theta. Now, notice that both the numerator and denominator contain the factor 1 plus sine theta. We can cancel this factor from both top and bottom. For our final step, recall that secant theta equals 1 over cosine theta. Therefore, 1 minus sine theta over cosine theta equals secant theta minus tangent theta. And we've proven the identity. And that's how we verify this trigonometric identity. Remember to use your fundamental identities and take it one step at a time.